welcome back to the channel, guys. Y'all remember this Liberty? Y'all remember the Liberty I checked out with transmission problems? Had the burnt transmission fluid and it won't pull or won't shift right. Number one, because it's low on fluid. Remember, we was going through here and I found the leak transmission. By the way, the transmission, the AC condenser is part of and the transmission cooler is the same setup. So by default, we got to fix the AC in order to fix the transmission. Not that we have to fix the AC. The AC not broken, but we got to install an AC part to fix the transmission. That takes for hard explanation to a customer as to why. You always get this response. Well, my AC was working. No, ma'am. The cooler is inside the condenser, so we had to replace the condenser. Well, anyway, I guess a week done passed. Well, we got the parts. They approved it. I got parts. I'm gonna show y'all what I got here. I have a AC condenser. So I'm looking, I want to say the transcooler portion of this is right along in this area. I got leaks like right here, right up in there. It's all black. The fluid is dirty. It's all out. Oh my goodness. So I have to get this replaced, and I did sell a transmission service. Remember, guys, I told y'all I didn't want to get blamed. This transmission pan has never been off. I think this car got 200,000 miles, and some of you know the risk and the horror stories you've heard of not servicing your transmission and then you finally doing it at a high mileage. Yes, there is some risk there, okay? So I had to make sure the customer understand if we do this and the transmission fail or go out or some hard transmission problem occur, it's not our, you know what I'm saying? But at any rate, he wanted done, so I'm gonna do the transmission service as well as the condenser. The condenser shouldn't be that hard. Take out the front grill, all this good stuff. Discharge the AC system. Remember, the AC is working, so it has to be free on it. So I'm gonna discharge it and just start unbolting fasteners. Now, as far as this transmission service, I'm not a big fan of this, guys, and I highly recommend that you don't either. What I'm talking about is not so much the filter. This is called a trans service, by the way. A trans service typically is when you're going to get a filter and a fluid, as opposed to a trans flush. You don't technically, ooh, this feels flimsy. It's not OEM, it's CarQuest, but a filter is a filter, right? Yeah, this is what's important. The filter material. We want to hope that it filters out the transmission, filters out the dirt and the fluid. So I'm not too, I don't like it, but you can get away with this. Here's the part I got a problem with. This right here. Do not, under any circumstance, use this on any TE style transmission. 41 TE. This is a 42 RE transmission. It's a rear wheel drive. 62 TE. No, guys, this will leave you, this will come back. Okay, here's some right here. Now I got a new tube of this, but this is the RTV that I'm going to use. This is the RTV Chrysler recommend you use. They don't recommend which RTV. They just recommend that you use RTV to seal the pan up. Okay, no. I'm not, in fact, I want y'all to see this. This is how, goodbye. All right, no quart gasket, no paper gasket of any sort. Use RTV. You don't have to be Mopar, just use some good RTV that can withstand the temperature. And of course, I'm going in with this filter. All right, so guys, I have a lot of work to do. Let me start taking this apart. I'm not gonna be able to film all of this. Y'all know the drill. Just wanted to follow up. I hate leaving y'all in the blind. If I put out a part one, it has to be a part two. Part one typically gonna be the diagnosis. A lot of people catch flack with that. We want to see the complete video. But I can't just hold footage on my computer and my phone. So I just soon run it through Sony Vegas, do a small edit on it and put it out. And, you know, and plus I can get a quantity. I can get a lot of quantity that way. So, and y'all get my drift, okay? Well, guys, let me go get the AC machine. Remember, we got to discharge the AC system. All this might have to come off. I don't know yet, but I'll let you know. I'll fire the camera up again in a second, guys. I got work to do. Let me get it. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I will be right back. Ooh, righty, guys. I'm back. As you can see, I'm draining the AC system because I'm getting ready to do the condenser. Now, guys, I got this grill off. I'll give y'all a closer look on where this leak at. All right, transmission leak. I'm referring to. Yeah, see all this should be red. It should be reddish because transmission fluid is red, but because this transmission fluid is so dirty, it's coming off as looking like oil. Yeah, so that's where all my transmission fluid is going, which makes the car feel like it's slipping simply because it's low on fluid. All right, now let me figure out how to get this freaking condenser out of here. All right, stay tuned, guys. I'll fire back up in a second. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I told y'all to fire back up. Yes, my suspicions were true, guys. Look, this is a brand new radiator as well as a water pump, so they obviously was overheating. I don't know. Look, brand new radiator hose, upper and lower, guys. So here's the old condenser. Leak right here, transmission fluid. I have to transfer this, but everything is pretty straightforward from here, guys. So I got a lot of work to do. I did end up removing the headlights so I can get through here on both sides. So pretty self-explanatory, guys. You pull out a book if you get confused, because I mean, to remind you once again, this is not a tutorial video. Even if the headline may suggest it, yes, I'm replacing the condenser, but it's not a how to replace the condenser video. Go see Tim at Astro Auto Repairs. You want those real good tutorial videos. He talk about every boat. You know, he show all of that stuff. I'm not set up like that. I can't do it like that. So it's a lot of guys out there that do real good tutorial video. Uncle Mark. This guy's garage. A lot of, I don't want to leave anybody out, but a lot of people. It's just I cannot do tutorial videos. I'm not set up. When I fire the camera up, you may already see the part out, and you'll be wondering, how did I get it out? Well, yeah, I'm just discussing what I'm doing, basically. I'm not set up to do tutorial, all right? So I tell you what, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up, because all I'm gonna do now is reverse the removal procedure on installing the condenser. I'm gonna evac and recharge the system. Evacuate it, guys. It's open, so I have to pull most of the moisture and the air out of the system and fill it back in with the proper fluid. Then I got the trans service to do. All right, that's pretty straightforward. So there's nothing you're gonna learn here, just to see work being done, I guess. But all right, I have a lot of work to do, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching this video. This Jeep came in with no transmission, slipping. That's because it was low. The reason it was low, because it was leaking at the condenser, which plays double duty as a transmission cooler. Okay, I don't know who bright idea was that. I guess you can avoid a lot of parts that way, but when one fails, I don't know, depending on how you look at it. That's all I have, guys. Thanks for watching.